What's up guys, Stephen Cult of Mac here, and at the time of filming this video I am actually getting ready to travel to Florida for 2 weeks for my holidays, or for you guys in America, vacation, but whilst I'm away I didn't want the channel to go quiet. So I got in touch with my good friend Nikias at AppleWorld to see if he'd like to take the reins of a video whilst I'm away. Thankfully he said yes, and as his channel focuses around the Apple Watch mainly, I thought it'd be a good idea to take a look at his picks for the best Apple Watch apps that he's come across so far this year. So let's throw over to Nikias and get started.
Thank you very much, Cult of Mac, for inviting me over to the channel. I hope you have an amazing time in Florida. So anyways, today we are taking a look at the best apps that you can find for your Apple Watch. Alright guys, so I think what we can all agree on is that our favorite Apple Watch app is the Activities app from Apple. So the first app that I'm going to show you is also a ring, but it's not for activity. It's to remind you to stay hydrated. So every once in a while, your Apple Watch will remind you to drink. So once you actually drink water, you go to the bottom and you tell the app how much you drank, and that will add it to the actual ring. Next up is Dark Sky. Now Dark Sky is my favorite weather Apple Watch app ever, because my favorite thing about this app is simply notifications. Let's say for example when it's about to rain, your Apple Watch will remind you, hey, you should probably bring an umbrella because it's about to rain. The app also notifies you for daily reports, and if we swipe to the right, of course we can see our weekly view of our weather, just like Apple's weather app. Next up is an app that hopefully you guys all should have. It's Shazam, and of course, hold on, let me put a song for example on my HomePod. There we go, now it's listening. And there you go, Shazam lets you know the name of the song, the artist, and you can actually press play to hear a small preview of the actual song. With the Apple Watch, we love tracking things. For example, we love tracking our health, we love tracking our sleep. By the way, yes, we will check out an app to track our sleep later on this video. So anyways, this app lets you track your mood. So your Apple Watch will ask you, how are you feeling? And you can say good, for example, because of course, I'm in the Cult of Mac channel, so I'm happy, I'm effective, I am feeling social. And then once you're actually done tracking, you simply press done. And there you go. Thanks for logging your mood. So then at the end of the month with your iPhone, you can see all of your moods, how they've been. Talking about sleep tracking for the Apple Watch has been provided by AutoSleep. So AutoSleep lets you know on how much you've slept. The iPhone app is much more detailed, but of course with the Apple Watch app, you can simply check out how much you slept and the average how much you're sleeping. So there's a bunch of sleep tracking apps in the App Store, but I find AutoSleep to be the best. And then lastly, what is an app video without a game? So Dare the Monkey is my favorite Apple Watch game. I don't really play a lot of Apple Watch games, but this is one that is just really simple to play. It runs really well on the Apple Watch, and I find it kind of fun. It's just kind of like Mario Kart, I mean Super Mario Run. That's honestly the only thing that I can compare it to. It's a lot of fun. It's a free game as well, so definitely check it out. You will have a lot of fun with it. And concluding the video, we've got Foursquare. Now, if you're traveling, you always want to look for food or for things for fun, for example. Now, let's say you're hungry for food, for example. Let's go ahead and tap that. And there you go. You can check out the best restaurants near your zone, which can be really useful, especially when you're traveling, as I said. So yeah, you can search places, you can bookmark stuff, you can search for food, coffee, nightlife, fun. When I'm traveling, I love looking for food and for just simply fun places to go. So that's pretty much it for all the apps, just to let you guys know that they will all be linked down below. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give Cult of Mac a big thumbs up. Comment down below, what apps do you guys use on your Apple Watch? If you guys want to check out my channel, hopefully Cult of Mac will leave it on the links down below. My channel is focused on Apple. I talk about the iPhone, the Mac, of course, really specifically the Apple Watch. That's why my channel is called AppleWorld. I talk about the latest leaks, about the latest rumors, so if you're an Apple fan, make sure to check out my channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I'll see you on my channel. Goodbye!